What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday to you. Justin Pokrivka, your hometown realtor here. And I just wanted to touch base with everybody today because I think there's just a lot of speculation about what is happening with the real estate market. And I'm just here to just give you some real numbers. I'm not here to speculate either. I'm not here to tell you one way or the other, but I think I can give you some information and then you can make your decision on how you feel about the real estate market based on what I tell you today. You know, we're going to focus on the local market, specifically Caroline County today, because, you know, I know a lot of people in Caroline County or people that want to move to Caroline County. I live in Caroline County, and, you know, I figure a lot of the business, I'd say most of the business that I help people with, most of the homes I list or help somebody buy are in Caroline County. So why not start there, and why not use Caroline County as just a good example of what is happening with the market right now? Obviously, it's different in different pockets of the country, but today we're going to focus on Caroline County, Maryland. And first off, though, I wanted to show you this. Today's 30-year mortgage rates fall to 6%. That's pretty awesome because I'm pretty sure by last week, the rates were up near 7%. So, I mean, that's a pretty big drop. And, you know, and that is pretty hopeful to me. I mean, you can see things are kind of trending down a little bit, which is great. And I don't, you know, who knows why that's happening. But all I know is that we are coming off we are coming off these historically low rates. And what that did was cause this huge, you know, inflated fake bubble, you know, and it was causing people to get really rate crazy. They were like, oh my gosh, I can get a sub 3 rate. I can get a low 3% rate. So I'm going to pay more money for this house because I know that I'm just locked in at this rate. And you know what? You do whatever you want. If that's what you think is a good decision, I am not your financial advisor. But I will say this, and I stand by this. It's not the interest rates you have when you buy a house. Is that helpful? Absolutely. It's where you buy the house. It's the price at which you buy the house. It's not the interest rate. Interest rates can change. Interest rates can go down over time. And, you know, what I hate seeing right now is that, you know, in 2020, or 2021 even, if you paid over for what the house was worth, then you are probably in the hole a little bit on that house, even if your interest rate is super low and you can handle the payment. So I just want you guys to remember that like, it's not the interest rate. It's where you purchase the house. It's the price at which you purchase your home. That's really the most important thing, honestly. And that goes for real estate investing as well. People will buy a house and they'll say, well, it cash flows, so that's all I care about. Well, that's great that it cash flows, but like, don't you want to know you have some like immediate equity in the home or will have equity, and it doesn't take you 4 or 5 years to recoup what you paid over for the house? So that's just my little 2 cents there. You might think differently than me, but I will stand by it, and I really think I know that it's where you purchase your home at the price at which you purchase your home that matters more than the interest rate. So anyway, let's go back. Actually, we're going to stay on this screen here. I wanted to show you just like what's been going on in the past month in Caroline County. I already counted these up because I don't want to go through all of these and count these because that's boring. But it looked like about 21 homes closed in Caroline County in the past month. I think that's pretty strong. I mean, good priced homes as well, anywhere from the $57,000 all the way up to, you know, around $750,000. So I mean, just some great homes that are selling, and we've got, I'd say, the same amount, maybe even more pending homes. Which means they're under contract pretty much, or, you know, a pending offer is coming. And then we've got probably, let me see here, that's probably about 10 active under contracts and another, you know, 10. So, I mean, so we probably have 40 homes under contract / pending right now. That's awesome. I mean, that means within the next month or two, 40 homes in Caroline County are going to close. I mean, that's pretty awesome. So But this is the thing that kind of scares me. And this is the thing that's unfortunate. One coming soon. One coming soon within the, and that might change. But oh my gosh, like this whole thing that we're looking at right now is proving to me that homes are still selling. People are still buying. But, as long as inventory is going to remain low, we've got one coming soon on the market in like 9 days. That's it in Caroline County. So if I could say anything, I think right now is a great time to sell your home because, especially in Caroline County, inventory is low. As you can see, homes are still selling, as you can see. And if you're buying, I think it's also a good time as well because, let's go back here. There are a lot of homes that are currently active on the market in Caroline County. So let's go back here. And there are 80 houses active right now. So that's great. I mean, and I don't know what the days on market are, but that's great. I mean, there's a good amount of homes on the market. So if you are a buyer, good for you. I mean, look at all these homes that are on the market. The average days on market right now is about 30 days, So things have definitely slowed down. But I think that's a good thing for everyone, honestly. If you were a buyer's agent at all in the past 2.5 years, your life was kind of a living hell because it was so hard to get a house under contract. So now the competition is less. Yes, rates are more, but they're not that much more, and rates will go down eventually. And, they are dropping right now. I mean, they went down, I feel like almost like a whole point from last week when it was close to 7%. Now we're at 6%. So I would just encourage everyone to definitely keep an eye on the rates, but don't keep an eye on the news, because there's just so much doom and gloom in the media, and all they want to do is scare you into making an irrational decision. And that's kind of what happened with the interest rates. You better take advantage of this low interest rate. Yeah, I mean, if you had a home already in 2020 and the rates were 3% and you could refinance, absolutely do it. But should you pay $50,000 over asking price for a house because you have a 3.5% interest rate? Absolutely not. And I'll stand by that. So that's my little thing today, everybody. I just wanted to talk about that because I'm in the business every day. I see what's going on. And I see trends and I see what's happening. But, these are real numbers, there are 80 houses on the market in Caroline County. 21 have closed in the past month. There's one coming soon. All you sellers out there, there's one coming soon on the market. That tells me it's if you're thinking about selling your home, get your house out there, because people are still buying a home. And also this, as long as there is a shortage of homes, people are going to be buying homes. There's always going to be a market. It's the supply and demand. It's pretty simple, And right now there is a shortage in our country of homes, of places to live, things like that. I mean, I think this is one of the best opportunities right now to buy rental properties because if people can't buy a home, they're going to have to live somewhere. They're going to have to rent. So, I think there's just a lot of opportunity right now in the future, and I think we need to jump on it as as good financial stewards of our financial house. So that's all I wanted to say today, everybody. I appreciate you jumping on. I know this is a little bit of a different video than I'm used to doing, but I thought it was important just because I know a lot of people tend to listen to the media, and I just feel like we really need to look at real numbers. We need to see what's actually happening. And there's 40 houses under contract right now in Caroline County. That doesn't show me that things are slowing down. I mean, like slowing down to a level that the housing market's going to crash. I just don't see it. So if anything, this should make everybody feel better about what's going on with the housing market. So anyway, my name is Justin Pokrivka. I'm your hometown realtor, and thanks for tuning in. And I just hope to see everybody, on my next video. So, see you.